Good morning, children. How are you? Yeah, you are fine and you are safe, right? I hope so. Yesterday, class 4 children, this is the worksheet of page number 10. Okay, this is the second lesson worksheet. Yesterday we have completed the worksheet 3. So today we are going to complete the worksheet 4. Okay, children. Here, listening, speaking and writing. You have to listen, speak and write. Like first if the teacher is speaking, then you have to listen, then you have to write. Okay, children. Next. So here let us see. Listen to your teacher. Listening. Okay, here the first one is listening. Listen to your teacher say these words aloud. In each word, one letter is not pronounced. Underline the letters that you do not hear. Okay, first one, column. So I said column. So what you have to, which one I have not said? This N letter I did not say. You just underline it. Okay. Second one, new. New. So what I not said, children? N-E-W, new I said. So K I did not say. Yes. Third, doubt. Which letter I did not say, children? B. You have to write. Just underline only B. Okay. Catch. C-A-T-H. C I did not say. Right. Fifth one. Christmas. Christmas. So T I did. Christmas I not said. I said Christmas. So T is silent. Okay. Right. Right. So W I did not say. I have just said right. So you just underline the W. Talking. Talking. L is silent, so please underline L. Castle. Castle. Just underline T in this word. Okay, children? Next. Speaking. Tell your partner how do you spend the evening once you come home from the school. You could mention the things you do alone and the things you do with your friends or family members. Okay, so when you are going from this, when you are going to home from the school, what are the things you say to your mother? Yes, you will say a lot of things to your mother, no? So now you just change your partner. This time you are saying to mother, na? Use everything you said to your friend, your classmate you can send. Okay, children. And what are the teacher said, what the other children, how you enjoyed, how you have done a mischievous things, a little bit different things always happen in the school. That also you can say to your partner. Okay, either partner, either classmate, anything. Okay, so that will help your speaking skills. Suppose I said that in my school today, when I went to the school, one of the boy came from the last bench and he has written on the board that today is very good day. So I felt good. So these are the things you can remember and you can say to your classmate. If I would have then I would say like this. You can share anything with your partner. Okay, children, this is up to you. This is your opinion. Okay, next, writing. Look at this picture carefully and write 2 paragraphs to describe it. Okay, children. This one is, if you see the whole picture, you see once, children. The whole picture you see. Yes. How this is very overwhelming picture, children. Because so as you see the picture in this, how the whole picture you can see, beta, like this is the village, this is the river of the village they are depicting in the picture. Okay, so you can see the industrial waste, like the factories waste also dumping in the same river. The boy is also throwing the litter in the same river. Next, Here the woman is washing the clothes in the same river, right? So how they are dumping everything, all the chemicals are there, and then they are washing the clothes also. The same water is used for drinking. Yes, here the boy is taking care of his cattle, and the animals are also washing in the same river. See here children, the same man is washing the clothes, and here the fisherman also catching the fish from the same river for his livelihood. And here this old woman is also taking the water for drinking. The two boys are swimming in the same river. So this whole picture, what you can write in the two paragraphs. See, first paragraph I have said to you that you have to mention this all sentences in one paragraph. Next paragraph will be for the water pollution, like what are the sources for water pollution, and how you can draw the pie chart for water pollution, how you can remove the water pollution, what are the things you can do, right? That also you can mention. One more thing I want to say children, you can write the paragraphs in this next page. Okay, they have given this, you have to do the homework. I want to see how many children has understand it and how they can write. Okay children, take care children, bye bye.